Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I've got this set of iBoard running boards I'm going to be unboxing and installing on a 2016 Ford Super Duty crew cab truck. I'll throw links in the description below for you to click over and browse all the different applications that iBoard has. I'll even throw a link down there for purchasing as well. So take the lid off the box here. I'll show you exactly how these are shipped. We have this box inside. Have the instruction sheets, we have the hardware, all the mounting brackets, and both of the boards come wrapped in these plastic sleeves to protect them from getting scuffed or otherwise damaged. These are the 6-inch wide silver boards I'll be putting on the truck today, so let's get started. And real quick, here's a little bit better view of the contents of the kit. All the hardware required for the installation is included. The driver's side and passenger side brackets are clearly labeled, and the identification stickers can be easily peeled off. There is no left nor right to these boards. They're both the same, so either board will work on either side of the truck. And I've taken some time and read through the instructions. This is going to be a really quick, really simple install. No measuring required, no drilling, and no special tools required either. Just basic hand tools should do the job. Now to begin the installation process, I'm under the truck. This is the driver's side, and starting from the front, locate the 5 sets of factory provided mounting holes that are in the bottom of the cab. Go to the second set back, take 2 of the provided 10mm clip nuts and install 1 of them in each of the top holes. It's pretty easy to install. You just start the nut inside that rectangular opening at the top, slide it over, and line it with the round hole. The nuts will hold themselves in position, and repeat this process for the 3rd set of holes and the 5th. Next, we'll take one of the driver's side running board brackets, and using 2 of the included 10mm bolts with a lock washer and a flat washer, attach the bracket to the clip nuts that we just installed. Once you have the bolts in the upper 2 holes, take another 10mm bolt with just a flat washer and run it into the lower hole from the outside in. Put another flat washer on, and then a lock washer, and secure it with a nut. Do not fully tighten these bolts at this time. Leaving them somewhat loose will give you some vertical adjustment on the bracket for final positioning of the running board later. Once you've reached this point, install the remaining 2 brackets on this side. Once the brackets are all installed in the cab, take the 6mm T-bolts, and with the board upside down, start the bolt in the groove and slide it down until you have 2 bolts roughly lined up with each bracket. At this point, you can flip the board over and carefully line the bolts up with the holes. Now that the T-bolts are lined up with all of the brackets, you can loosely install the 6mm flat washers and lock nuts. And finally, be sure to level the running board with the bottom of the truck cab and get it centered beneath both doors accordingly. Once you are happy with the final position, securely tighten all of the hardware that secures the brackets to the bottom of the truck and the running boards to the brackets. You can then repeat all of the previous steps to install the other running board on the passenger side. And with that, the installation of the iBoard running boards is complete. Like I said, pretty simple job, no measuring, no drilling required. They utilize all factory provided holes, which is very nice. And I would estimate total installation time to be around an hour and a half. They're sturdy, they fit well, and they even look good on the truck, so what more do I have to say? Guys, I'll mention it again. Check out those links down below. You can plug your vehicle make and model into the iBoard site, see what they have that will fit it. And I'll even put an Amazon link down there too to make it a little more convenient for you. Leave comments, questions if you want. And most importantly, everybody, thank you for watching.